Hello there! To make this dress, we need to start from the patterns. For the top, you need to draw a specular part that will go inside the dress to have a soft and defined edge. In the front, I made these two mirror curves to have one side of the neckline more rounded than the other. For the back, it's the same, but without curves. It is very important that the line following the fabric to be cut is oblique to the pattern. The skirt is really simple, as you can see. To make the split, you need to divide the front pattern in two pieces like this. The back is simple too, but it's only half pattern, so you need to fold the fabric. Let's begin with the top. I first sewed the curve I made on the pattern only on one side. I kept the sign for the insertion of the straps, and then I sewed the side of the top, leaving space for the zip in one side. Then you need to see how long you want the straps to give the right fluidity to the neckline. If you have a doll, it will be way easier to see how it will look. Next is the skirt, where I sewed the sides, leaving space for the zip on one side. And then I sewed the origin of the split and the inside strips of fabric to make a clean split. Inside, they are stopped with a special type of seam called blind stitch, as you can see here. After all this, you just need to adjust the skirt under the top and sew everything inside out. To make the straps, take the right measurement and cut two pieces of fabric. Fold inside the edges and sew. Complete the dress adding straps and the zip. Hem the dress and you're done. This will be the result, a sexy elegant dress perfect for summer events. Hope you liked the video, see you next time, bye!